A camera obscura, or any camera really, is just a dark space with a hole that lets light in. And that light then projects an image onto a surface. And all we do is place a piece of photographic light-sensitive material, a giant piece of paper in this case, onto that surface and let the light expose the image of what is outside.
Yeah, so we put the lens in, and then we move this white thing, and then through the lens we'll see like a reflection of what's outside. And then we're going to do a couple test strips.
Right.
There's going to be one red light. Yeah. A bit demonic. But it's fun, it's vibes, yeah. Then we're going to just go and develop it in the bedroom. And then we're going to make individuals. And then we make the negative. And then later we're going to make the positive. And then we get pictures. And that's basically the whole process.
It's just crazy. But I didn't realize the image would be this clear. Like, you can see really detailed bits of the buildings and stuff, which is insane. And also, I hadn't even considered movement. Like, I just assumed it was going to be a static image. Yeah. Also, it's a completely new perspective. Like, seeing stuff upside down, and like, this is also part of Stratford that I wasn't familiar with. So it's really nice to like see this side of London.
The paper that we're going to use has chemicals in it that are sensitive to light. So when the light hits the paper, they react. But it's latent, you can't see it essentially. And then when you take that paper and you put it into the chemicals developer, the chemicals in the paper that have just reacted with the light react with the chemicals in the trough, and that's what turns them dark, or turns them darkest to black.
Because you have experience, I can see myself, I know who I am, but look at this, yeah, look at this. That's what I'm saying.
So we've got 3 test strips here. One is 20 seconds, one is 40 seconds exposure, and one is a minute.
Look at that. Wow. Look at the trees. Wow. Yes. Oh, the sky looks insane.
Three, two, one, go.
That looks really cool.
Oh my god, okay, so we just keep splashing and then look at the tower, you can see it sort of picked out the shape of it.
Oh my god, I quite like that actually.
Wow.
That is incredible.
Well done.
Doing a job, will you assist me? I'm assisting. Yeah, round of applause for London as well.
That one.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger.
Yeah, probably.
Like it's raining.
Massive, right? Yeah. Until like those days where, yeah.